Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set location-based reminders with Google Keep. So if you want to set location-based reminders in Google Keep, it will help you stay organized by prompting you to take actions when you are at a specific place. And through this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. So first, you can just launch the Google Keep app on your phone, whether you are on Android or iOS. Open Google Keep, and in here you can tap the plus button in the bottom right corner to create a new note, or you can also tap on an existing note to add a location reminder to it. I'm going to just go with a new note. Okay, in here you can just add the a reminder. So in the note you can just add the title first. Now you can just tap on this bell icon to add to start adding a reminder. Click on it, and now you can see this is the reminder option. So you can just set the time. For example, I'm going to go with tomorrow morning. Click on it, and then you can just tap on pick a place, not the time, because you want to add reminder a location based reminder. So you need to click on pick a place, and now you can just set the locations for the reminder. For example, I'm going to go with work, and now you can just tap on save. You can also add a new location. If that's not set, you can click on it again. Here you can go with edit location, and now you will see a map. You can add the address or search for a place by clicking on the search bar, where you can enter an address, location name, or a point of interest. Let's say I'm going to just go with this one, and now you can just tap on save. You can also enter the address or place name where you want the reminder to be triggered by zooming in the map. You can click on a specific place on the map if needed. Let's try it again. Okay, you will see a map. I don't know why the map doesn't load, but you can do it if you see the location. So once you set the location like this, for example, you can just tap on save, and the location will be added to the reminder like this. You can also choose specific time to receive reminders along with the location. You can set the time and date using the time picker that appears, or leave it without time if you only want a location-based reminder. So after that, you can just tap on this arrow to save the notes. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.